Hello viewers, I made little on this video, this product, and I made little video on it, but in this video I want to explain the how to use it. This cream works for sunburns very well. It clears any kind of burns on the body caused by chemicals, harsh chemical. This cream removes pimples. It makes your face look good and young. Now, if you want to use this cream, I advise you use it night time. No, although it's for morning and night, but I will advise you use this for night alone. It will give you exactly what you want. And this is how you will use it. Apply it on your hand, your fingertip, and rub it on your face and massage it. After that, take a little of this cream on your fingertip and put it on the place you know you have sunburn. Don't massage it, just put it there, round there. Just check a place, the place you know you is black or burnt there. Put it there. It's going to wipe off all the burns on the face. Use it like 2 ways. Look your face on the mirror. You will see that the burns there are clear. Give it a try. Just this particular product is this one now is 700 naira. It's in 3 types. They have the one of 2,000, the medium one is 1,500, while the smallest one is 700 naira. For you to know whether this product works, just get this little one of 700 naira and give it a try. Especially if you know you have burnt on your face, give it a try. Even if you do not have burnt on your face, it's going to clear everything and make your face look young. But if you have burnt on your face, I advise and I recommend this fish Stay Young face and body cream for you. Go and get it. Apply it on your face. After applying it on your face, take little on your fingertip and go put it straight to the place you know you have burns. Run under the eyes, wherever you know you have these burns. Just put it there, rub it there and leave it. Use this to sleep till daybreak. Because the reason why you put it, because you know you're not going outside, just put it there. Just put it there and leave it. Daytime you wash it. And mostly and one of the things is I want to discuss is when you are using this Stay Young face and body cream and you want to cook, don't rub it and go and near and put your face straight to the hot thing or fire. If you know that you want to cook, don't rub this cream. In fact, any cream, don't rub cream when you know that you're cooking. It's after you cook finish, you can now apply face and body cream. You cannot apply it. It works very well. And don't rub this cream and go to under the sun. Avoid sun if you know you are rubbing this cream. That is why I advise you use it just night. Night is okay. It will give you exactly what you want. Don't rub it and go under the sun. It will burn you. Apart from this cream, any other cream, don't rub cream and go under the sun. It's not good. It's going to hurt you. Rub cream daytime. If you want to go outside, you can rub the cream like Nivea or other moisturizing cream. Although this particular cream, you can rub it and go outside, but I advise you rub it only night. It's going to give you what you want. I tried it on myself. It works for me. That is why I'm making the video of this cream. I tried it. I work, and this is what I'm still using up to now. It's very nice, very good. Give it a try. Just get this small cup. It's 700 naira. If you want to get it, go to a nice shop to get it, where you know that they sell original good cosmetics there. You get it there. and give it a try. Don't buy the biggest one or the medium one. Just buy this little one. Use it on your face. Just throw it on your face, your body. You will see how your body will be blinking. The thing is, this cream, this stay young face and body cream is so good, so good, so good. Try, give it a try. You will love it. When you are rubbing it, I say it again. Don't go under the sun. Don't rub it on your face and face your face on the fire or anything heat. No, it's not good. Even apart from this cream, any other cream, don't put your face direct to the fire when you're cooking. And when you rub this cream, don't, I said it again, don't put your face direct to the fire or any hot thing. No, it's going to burn you. Don't do that. Any cream, don't rub cream and face your face direct to fire or anything hot. When you cook finish, you cannot rub it. Not that you are cooking and you want to cook and you rub this. No, no. After you cook finish, you cannot apply this face cream. If you use it the way I said it, you will see the result it will give you. After rubbing this face cream on your face, take a little of it on your fingertip and put it straight to the place you have burns. Rub it there alone. After like a week, you see that the burns are clear. You look for the place you know that the burnt is, or the face anywhere you saw black, anywhere you see black, just apply this cream put this cream on your fingertip and put those black there until the face rhyme to one color, not the one that you have two color, black and yellow. No, just use the cream. When you're rubbing it, you be very, our body is very sensitive. When you're using cream on your body, you should be very careful, especially face. Very, very careful. Depends how you use cream. That is how it works. Put it, rub it for your face, take it on your fingertip, look for the place that black is there and apply it there. Leave it there. Use it to sleep, and when you wake up, wash it out and rub. Find any moisturizing cream and rub and go under the sun. But if you know you're not going outside, you are inside, you can rub it and stay inside. And if you want to go out, I advise you go with umbrella or anything, any shade to cover your face to avoid the sun, because the weather now is very, very hot. That is why I advise you rub it in the night or rub it daytime and stay indoor. So this particular cream is very good. I advise you go for it. You will not regret of getting it. Thanks for watching. God bless you.